Hello. So yesterday, we had a really good conversation with a customer. And I gotta be honest, I had to face the music. That sounds weird and hard. So this is what happened. We're looking at analytics. Yeah, we're seeing some decent trends going up and things like that. What we find out is that, yes, we're driving traffic to the website, but we're not seeing actual conversions. So what does this mean? Well, I could say, well, my job as an SEO is to drive traffic to a website, but in reality, my job as a marketer and an SEO is to help customers and companies to drive business. So now you understand why I'm saying that I had to face the music, because I was on a call with a great customer, and instead of just trying to put fingers or to point fingers to each other, we said like, hey, you know what, let's look at our analytics. So we ended up using the new Microsoft Clarity. It's pretty cool. It's still in beta. If you haven't used it, it's fun to use. There are other tools out there like Lucky Orange, Crazy Egg, that allows you to actually see what users are doing on your website. Why does this matter? First, it actually removes any type of bias on design. You actually have people, users, telling you what they like about your website, what they don't like about your website. That's pretty powerful. Now, the other thing that happens is that as an SEO, yes, you can drive traffic to a website, but a good SEO looks at the user instead of the algorithm. So in this case, what we're looking at is, hey, you know what? Users are coming to a website and they're not finding their information quick, or they're not able to do something that they want to do fast. So the solution was like, hey, you know what? We're making it really difficult for people to submit their information, so let's fix that. We're working on it. Now, you may ask, why is someone from SEO talking about user experience and things like that? Well, as I mentioned, users want to solve their problems quickly. And guess what? Google and all the other search engines are trying to help their users solve their problems fast. So once again, don't think about tricking the algorithm and using your magic wand to get you in the first positions. Think about the user. Find out what they're looking for and give them that solution quickly. Google and other search engines may actually like that and will help you to position you higher. So let's have a real conversation. Are your marketing teams generating the business value? If don't, it's not their fault. It's not your fault. It's time to actually align marketing and sales and make sure that we're all working together to drive results. And remember, there is no one with the right or wrong answer. There is a good way of working together, using data, testing different hypotheses, having hypotheses and testing different solutions. It's not just a magic wand. There is not a box solution. We're dealing with humans, and humans tend to change the way they buy and interact with products and services. And we need to keep evolving and changing. So this is normal part of business. So let me know if you like this video or not. See you next week.